right now we're gonna take the IS250 to go check up on the RCF, see what's going on with that car. Just want to do a quick little overview as to what's going on with the car. So we're on our way to where the RCF is at right now to see who Prius getting into my lane, to see, you know, where he's at in progress, and it's gonna be a really aggressive kit. So super excited for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit when we're at the spot so we can check out the RCF. Hey guys, we arrived at the spot and here's not the RCF. But yeah, there's the Alpheyga ISF with the CCSP trunk, and there's the fake ISF. TRD everything. And it's my car. It looks so sick, man.
Yeah, it needs to still be obviously smoothed out, but this is the general shape. So all of this, so this is just a general shape, but all this will get smoothed out. This will get smoothed out. I wanted to keep that line that we talked about.
Yeah.
As far as going here, this shape obviously from a perfect 90 or perfect profile follows this line. So you still kind of get that, but
this is the height it's gonna be, right?
That's the height it's gonna be.
Oh,
so
driving is gonna be tricky.
It's gonna be like a.
It's gonna look so aggressive.
Eighth of an inch higher than your Novell, but because the center's filled in, it definitely seems like it's a lot lower.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
We'll see how it is driving around. I mean, I think it might be a good car to do the 265 30s up front, right? To bring it up a little bit.
That or the 275 if you.
You think I can fit that?
All day.
Really?
All day. You can go, like you're stretching at 255, you can go 20 millimeters wider all day.
Oh, I know, but like my only concern is rubbing. I might just cut that stuff off.
Just that tab, it's just that one tab.
Yeah, I don't even care anymore these days.
So, and then as far as the diffuser, I still have to do the under section for the exhaust. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have it at this height or a little lower, but the fins have to be cut up a little bit higher.
Yeah,
this hasn't been cut yet.
Yeah, I can see the lines.
These really, well, this actually, that's just the edge, but they're gonna match here because these are like an inch lower than the sides. So if these go here, and then one thing I wanted your input on is that because this is how it is right now, is that I could either fill this in and there could be this gap for the vent,
Yeah.
or I could basically have it go flush to the diffuser and then basically have holes in this diffuser itself to still vent it. So it's like there's still that kind of design option, but that's generally it.
Looks pretty sick, man. I'm excited to see what you do with the side skirts.
Oh, here, let's go to the other side. I'll explain to you real quick. It's a little tight, but instead of doing the winglet like we were talking about.
All right, guys. So now we're gonna leave the car, and we tried on the TRD wing of our ISF. Mm-hmm. So it's pretty sick. I might do it. Let me know what you guys think. I think it's pretty aggressive, which is what I'm going for. So it looks really sick from this angle right over here. So there you go. Dude, it's crazy that this iPhone literally shoots 4K HD.
It's high def.
I know. But yeah, there it is. That's how it would look from this angle right here. So most likely gonna do it. I don't know yet, because it's either that or an APR wing, which will be way more obnoxious. So yeah, I'll be stage 1 for the RCF. And then we'll see how many haters this kit gets. We shouldn't get many, because these looks sick.